हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो बुक है उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये हमारी पूरी सीरीज है जिसमें हम हर वीडियो में अपनी एक्सरसाइज जो है उनको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे। पिक आउट ऑल द एडजेक्टिव्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड से टू व्हिच क्लास ईच ऑफ देम बिलोंग्स। एडजेक्टिव्स. Let's have a look first at the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality. It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. Adjective of quantity. How much of a thing it means. Adjectives of number or numeral adjectives show how many persons or things are meant or in what order a person or thing stands. Definite numeral adjectives which denote an exact number. Indefinite numeral adjectives which do not denote an exact number. Distributive numeral. It refers to each one of a number. Demonstrative points out which person or thing is meant. Interrogative used with nouns to ask questions. Now let's start our exercise. The ship sustained heavy damage. Heavy, adjective of quality. Can say descriptive adjective. I have called several times. Several, indefinite numeral adjective. Every dog has his day. Every, distributive numeral adjective. A live egg is better than a dead loin. Live, better, dead. All three denote adjective of quality. Every man has his duties. Every, distributive numeral adjective. Say the same thing twice over. Same, demonstrative adjective. Several persons were present at that time. Several, indefinite numeral adjective. Present, descriptive. He is a man of few words. Few, indefinite numeral adjective. Neither party is quite in the right. Neither, distributive numeral adjective. What time is it? What? Interrogative adjective. Which pen do you prefer? Interrogative adjective. The way was long, the wind was cold, the minstrel was infirm and old. All these four represents adjective of quality. He comes here every day. Every, distributive numeral adjective. I have not seen him for several days. Several, indefinite numeral adjective. There should not be much talk and little work. Much and little notes adjective of quantity. Abdul won the second prize. Second, definite numeral adjective. The child fell from the great height. Great, descriptive adjective. He was absent last week. Descriptive adjective. He died a glorious death. Descriptive. A small leak may sink a great ship. Small, descriptive. Great, descriptive. Good wine needs no bush. Good, descriptive. I like the little peddler who has a crooked nose. Little, adjective of quantity. Crooked, adjective of quality. King Francis was a hearty king and loved a royal sport. Hearty and royal both denotes adjective of quality. In the furrowed land, the toilsome parent oxen stand. Furrowed, adjective of quality. Toilsome, adjective of quality. My uncle lives in the next house. Next, descriptive. Some dreams are like reality. Some, indefinite numeral adjective. A cross child not light. Cross. Descriptive. It is an ill wind that blows nobody any good. Ill. Descriptive. Any adjective of quantity.